I'm gonna show you how to change the picture size on your Samsung Smart TV. Hit the menu. Once you hit menu, hit picture, hit the enter button right here. And what you want to do is scroll down until you see picture size. And hit enter, select, then hit enter again, and you can scroll through what size you want. Every time you scroll to it, it adjusts to that size. As you can see, it changed right there. And we're back again. So once you decide which one you want, we're going to pick this one. We hit the OK button and hit the exit button. Okay, you see the size. So let's go through that again. Menu, select picture, scroll down until you see picture size. Hit select and hit that enter again and scroll up or down until you see which size you want. We're going to select this one, hit OK, and hit exit. And that's it. If this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you.